Yash, it is confirmed that Narsingh is going to Rio. That is what the Wrestling Federation has also confirmed. Is that right?
Yes, absolutely, Akash. Just a few minutes ago, Mr. Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh, who is the president of the Wrestling Federation of India, just came and announced to the reporters that that it is confirmed that Narsingh Yadav will be going to Rio. In fact, he's just walking in right now for a press conference and he would be just announcing it shortly. How quickly this entire process will take for him to board the flight to Rio? We're going to have to listen to him. He'll start the press conference in a few minutes from now. But what my sources in the Wrestling Federation are telling me that the entire process of quickly getting a ticket and getting him on a flight to Georgia, where the rest of the team is currently practicing, will be done as quickly as possible, because remember, he has wasted a lot of time. He's wasted a lot of time practicing, but the press conference is about to start now, and all the details will be given by the Federation President, Mr. Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. The important bit to remember is that the Federation was backing the wrestler in all times, right from the time when he was challenged in the court by Sushil Kumar to this particular situation where he was taken to the National Anti-Doping Agency for failing a dope test.
All right, Yash, stay on with us. Fresh pictures also coming in, as you can see on your screens, of the Narsingh Yadav camp celebrating. Remember, the Wrestling Federation of India had backed Narsingh Yadav right from the very beginning, when he had said that he did not take any banned substances knowingly, and that the entire episode was because of sabotage, according to him, because he claimed that he was a victim of a conspiracy. You can see sweets being distributed there, laddus being eaten.
नरसिंह यादव को एक क्लीन चिट मिल गया है. इसके बाद में क्या कहना चाहेंगे? व्हाट इज योर फर्स्ट रिएक्शन?
ये फर्स्ट रिएक्शन तो हम लोग केवल खुशी मना रहे हैं. पूरा ये समाचार जैसे जैसे फैल रहा है, और हम ही नहीं मना रहे हैं, मना तो आप लोग भी रहे हैं, क्योंकि जिस तरीके से आप सब लोगों ने इस मसले को उठाया, मना तो आप भी रहे हैं. तो अभी 2 मिनट के अंदर नरसिंह यादव यहाँ पर पहुंच जाएगा, तो बैठ करके जो बात करना है सामने करेंगे.
कितनी जल्दी नरसिंह को आप जॉर्जिया पहुंचा पाएंगे, जहां पूरी टीम वेट कर रही है?
आने दी, वेट करिए.
We listen to more of these details from the Federation President, but this is what he's just told NDTV, that the entire country is celebrating. They are very happy because, remember, the Wrestling Federation was backing Narsingh from the times when he was first dragged to the court by Sushil Kumar to this doping controversy, which has just ended for the wrestler who is now going to represent India in the 74 kg category at the Rio Olympics.
All right, thankfully for Narsingh, the 74 kilogram category wrestling event at the Rio Games is scheduled only for the 19th of August. So there's still quite some time for the Wrestling Federation to figure out the logistics and get him on that flight to Rio. The good news coming in right now is that Narsingh has been completely cleared of all doping charges. Remember, Narsingh was and still is really amongst proper medal prospects for Rio, people who can go into the Rio Games and win a medal for India. Narsingh's name is on that list according to most wrestling experts, and now he will go to Rio. That place of Narsingh's, the Kota place, which was booked by India, was, remember, already blocked by the Wrestling Federation of India when they sent the name of another wrestler, Parveen Rana. While this entire saga was panning out, now that Narsingh has been cleared, it will be Narsingh who will go to Rio and represent India in the 74 kilogram men's freestyle wrestling event.